Mirante da Baleia. Here before us stands the Mirante da Baleia, the whale lookout. It received this name because it is common to see whales passing through these waters. At the top of the lookout, there are directional plaques. They point to distant and sacred places of humanity, the pyramids of Egypt, the Pyramid of the Sun in Teotihuacan, Stonehenge in England, Machu Picchu in the Andes, Easter Island, and the Temple of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. These plaques do not merely indicate directions. They suggest that there is an invisible connection between all these temples, and also with the megalithic sites of Florianópolis, such as the Temple of Pedra Virada. Cosmic and biological connections. This correlation is not only geographical, it seems to echo within us, in human genetics itself. The formation of a sperm cell takes 74 days, and surprisingly, this process is reflected in solar alignments. Mitotic division lasts 26 days, the same time it takes for the sun to cross the path between Pedra Virada and the dolmen of prayer for those who observe the sunrise from the archaeoastronomy platform of the fortress of Barra da Lagoa. On November 25th, the sun aligns with Angkor Wat in Cambodia, about 16,000 kilometers from Florianópolis. This number is associated with the first meiosis, 16 days. From there to Easter Island, again 16,000 kilometers, the second meiosis. And Easter Island connects to the fertility bed, in alignments that mark 9 months, the same cycle as human gestation. Finally, from Easter Island to the pyramids of Egypt, another 16,000 kilometers, the third meiotic cycle. Symbols of fertility. Each of these temples carries within it an image of life. The Temple of Angkor Wat, built by a 14-year-old boy, was erected around water, like an embryonic cell. Easter Island has the shape of a human pelvis. Its volcanoes resemble female ovaries, and its moai statues portray the human figure. In the Rapa Nui legend, the young man who searches for the egg and carries it on his forehead represents the sperm cell, while the young woman, isolated in the cave, represents the egg cell resting within the fallopian tubes. The pyramids of Egypt, in turn, symbolize the family: father, mother, and child. Their alignments follow the Orion belt, today connected to the celestial equator, and with them echo ancient prophecies, such as those of the prophet Daniel. At the Mirante da Baleia, the gaze expands beyond the horizon. Here, the temples of the earth, the human body, and the movement of the stars seem to meet in a single dance of mystery, fertility, and creation